If you think pesto is just for pasta, we've got the perfect recipe to enlighten you. Howard shows us how to make pesto pork medallions in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
A one-pan skillet dish that'll knock your socks off. Well, not literally, but once you taste it, I'd love to hear how you describe how good it is. The first thing we want to do is cut a 1 to 2 pound pork loin into half-inch slices. Now we place each one between a couple of pieces of plastic wrap and gently pound them so they're pretty thin. Flattening these is what makes them really tender. Okay, next, we season them with salt and pepper and dredge them in some flour. Then we saute them in butter for a few minutes on each side. Once they're done, we place them on a platter and cover them to keep them warm. Now in the same skillet, we combine some heavy cream and pesto. And after letting this simmer for a bit, we add some sliced plum tomatoes. That's it! A fresh tasting all-in-one skillet favorite that's packed with flavor and looks so impressive, you'll never guess it was made in about 10 minutes. Now, that's my kind of dinner. To get the recipe for our pesto pork medallions, all you need to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a simple stovetop way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Simple yet fancy. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.